Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Just another little quick video. I'm sorry about the framing. I'm trying to get this, not me. So, got a thermocouple in here. This is 85 degrees Celsius. This is thermostat from the truck that we just replaced. I'm just going to check to see if these are any good or not. So by putting it in the almost boiling water, it should open. It's 180 or 80 or 85 degree thermostat, depending on which one it is. I don't know which one's which. But she is not opening, and that's what the problem was. Check the other one. Occasionally they'd open, occasionally they wouldn't. Eventually they would always open. Yeah, the truck never overheated. But it was weird. Anyhow, thermostat's still closed. So, proof. Needed new thermostats. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. That's how you can test a thermostat if you don't know if it's good or not. Boiling water, put it in there. If it opens, great. If it doesn't, replace it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.